Hey guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click on settings, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, just click on notification categories. You come to next step here, you come to feedback, click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone. That's mean feedback notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watch.